Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Okay, I'm very glad that you are fine. Now I want all of you to come over here and make a circle around here, okay? Okay, guys. Today we are going to play a game, Journalist of the BBC, okay? In order to choose a journalist from you, I have written on stickers your names at your backsides. Please, I am here. And I'll choose one, for example. And today our journalist is going to be Janice. Congratulations. Janice, yeah, you may use as a microphone. Okay, Janice, today your task is to ask your classmates about weather. Okay? Ask your classmates, please.
Hello.
Hello.
What is weather like today?
Today weather is cloudy.
Okay, goodbye. Hello.
Hi.
What your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is rainy.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
What kind of weather would you describe would you like to describe your mood?
I feel myself like sunny because I'm cheerful today.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, guys, now I want to divide all of you into groups. Now, to divide you into groups, I would like to use this Kinder Surprise, okay? Now, please come over here and take your surprises. Come. Okay, very nice. Okay, very nice. Now open your Kinder Surprises. Okay, there are the names of months. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, I would like to know what months you are. Janice, please help me.
What months are you?
May.
What months are you?
April.
What months are you?
September,
What months are you?
March,
What months are you?
October.
What months are you?
January.
What months are you?
December.
What months are you?
January.
What months are you?
February.
What months are you?
November.
What months are you?
August.
And I'm you.
June. Okay, very nice, guys. Now, I want all of you to divide into groups, as you have understood, by seasons, okay? Now, so, spring months, please come over here, spring. What months are spring months?
May.
April, March. Come over here, come. You are going to see it there, okay? Over there. Next, summer months, come. Tell your months. August, July, June, okay, you sit over there. Next, autumn months. Tell your months.
November. October.
Okay, very nice. You go and sit over there, okay? And winter months, tell your months.
December. February.
Okay, today you are going to be a winter group, okay? A winter group, okay. Take your seat over there. Okay, guys, now I want all of you to pay attention to the blackboard. I'm going to introduce you with your new vocabulary for today, okay? So, just listen and repeat after me, okay? Hail,
Hail.
hail,
Hail.
boiling,
Boiling.
boiling,
Boiling.
freezing,
Freezing.
freezing,
Freezing.
hurricane,
Hurricane.
hurricane,
Hurricane.
high winds,
High winds.
high winds,
High winds.
snowstorm,
Snowstorm.
snowstorm,
Snowstorm.
thunder and lightning.
Thunder and lightning.
Okay. Very nice, guys. Now try to guess the theme of our lesson for today. How do you think? What is the theme of our lesson for today?
Natural disaster.
Very nice, guys. Today we are going to talk extreme weather and about natural disasters. Very nice. So, I want all of you to introduce our success criteria for today, okay? It's your objective. Today you must achieve it. Learn vocabulary for extreme weather conditions. Talk about extreme weather conditions. Provide a point of view in conversations and discussions and use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary, okay? Is everything understandable?
Yes.
Now you may open your books on page 72. Okay, very nice. And in groups, do exercise 1, okay?
Okay.
Do exercise 1. Match the words and phrases with the pictures, okay?
Okay.
Very nice. Match the words with the pictures, okay? From exercise 1. Okay, wait for the others. Okay, guys, do you need help? Have you finished? Yes. Okay, and this group? Okay, autumn group and
Yes.
winter group. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Now, guys, I want all of you to check your answers by using listening through computers. Okay?
Okay.
Now, everybody stand up and go to your computers. Open disk 2, track 12. Okay, guys, your time is up. Now, were your all answers correct? No?
I had 2 mistakes.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Now, please, good job. You did a great job. So please take your seats again.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I want all of you to make sentences without new words. For example, in January, it is freezing, yes? But in October, for example, we have heavy rain, okay? Is everything okay, clear? Okay, Dinar, start.
In February it is usually freezing, but in March
It is warm.
Okay, very nice. March.
In March it's usually warm, but in April we have heavy rain.
Very nice. Okay, April.
In April it's a usual heavy rain, but in May we have boiling.
In May, it is usually boiling, but in June, hot.
It is hot. Okay, June, please.
In June, it's always hot, but in July, it's boiling.
Boiling. Very nice. July.
In July it is usually boiling, but August we have high winds.
Heat waves. Okay, very nice.
In August is usually boiling
Heat wave.
and in September and have heavy rain.
Heavy rain. Okay, September.
In September it is usually heavy rain, but in October we have thunder and lightning.
Very nice.
In October it is usually thunder and lightning, but in November we have cold.
Okay, you are doing great.
In November it is cold, but in December we have snowstorms.
In December it is freezing, and January it is cold.
In January it is freezing, but in February snowstorm.
Okay, very nice. Thank you. Okay, now guys, look at exercise 3. There are 4 characters. Yes? Victor, Hannah, Oksana, and Silk. Okay, so spring you're gonna be Victor, autumn you're gonna be Hannah, winter you are going to be Oksana, and summer you are going to be Silk. Okay? Now listen to their dialogue and notice our new vocabulary connected with extreme weather. Okay?
Okay.
If everything is understandable for you, just listen, okay? Then you will assess, we are going to have P assessment, okay? P assessment. For example, if they say right answer, just clap your hands, okay?
Okay.
If they are wrong, just don't clap, okay?
Translating, listen and write. Right, we've got listeners from all around the world here on Internet Rock Radio, so we'd like to know, what's the weather like now where you live? Remember, you can send us a tweet, Skype us at Internet Rock Radio, or go to our Facebook page. We've got Victor on Skype. Victor, where are you?
Hi Tony, I'm in Rosario in Argentina.
Okay, what's the weather like?
It's sunny here now, and we're having a heat wave. It's absolutely boiling. It's 37 degrees.
Wow, lucky you, Victor. Hannah, you're in England. What's the weather like?
Hi Tony, I'm in Manchester, and there's thunder and lightning here. With really heavy rain. I'm not going out today.
Thanks, Hannah. Oksana from Russia sends a tweet. She says, Tony, it's horrible in Moscow. We've got hail and high winds here at the moment. Oksana, don't go out. Silver in Germany on Skype. Hello?
Hello Tony. It's freezing outside here, and there's a huge snowstorm.
Thanks, Silver. Send us a photo on Twitter. So many people getting in touch.
Okay, now let's check your answers, okay?
Okay.
Victor,
Boiling.
Yes,
Boiling and crazy.
assess. Okay, very nice. Autumn, Hannah.
Thunder and lightning,
Oksana. And last summer, Sil.
Freezing. Snowstorm.
Thank you very much. What are your group names? You are?
Summer.
You are?
Spring.
You are?
Autumn.
You are?
Winter.
Very nice. Now I'm going to give you okay, guys, one is for you, one is for you, one is for you, one is for you. Okay. Okay, guys, protect your seasons, use adjectives, new vocabulary connected to our theme, okay? Extreme weather. I will give you only 5 minutes to prepare this poster. Okay, time is gone. Try to speak English more. Really, right kind of the light, add something. For example, reading child. There is a way to hear child every summer. Okay guys, your time is up. Stop working. So, let me explain the rules of your assessment, okay?
Okay.
Spring, let's start with spring, okay? Spring will start, summer will assess it. Then, summer will present their poster and autumn will assess it. After that, winter will assess autumn, okay? Then at last, you winter will assess this first presentation, okay? So, here, look at the blackboard.
Spring.
Look at the board. Here is your assessment criteria, okay? Vocabulary connected to right season. Speaker speaks with no support, no mistakes, and time limit 2 minutes, okay? Watch your phones, okay? 2 minutes, okay, only. So, 1, 2, 3, let's start.
Spring. Spring in the sun, properly the words of the weather. Spring is one of 4 seasons, March, April, and May. The period from spring to summer. In the spring, the resurgence of the creatures begins. The insects and those awaking from their winter sleeps. The livestock, the bird of the year, return to the growth, and the fruit trees bloom in the bush. Plowing, planting trees, sowing.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now, summer, please assess them.
Excellent. Very good. But speaker speaks with support.
Okay, very nice, good job. Please, summer.
Summer. Summer is hot, boiling heat wave. We live in Usharal. There is a lake near the Usharal, and every summer we go to swim there.
Okay, very nice. Please.
In autumn it is usually heavy rain, thunder and lightning. But in October high winds and hail. In autumn are 3 months, September, October and November. Autumn thunder and lightning often occur. In autumn it is beautiful. We love autumn.
Assess them, please.
Speaker speaks with no support, no meetings.
Good job.
Good.
Okay, very nice. Okay, please.
Winter. In winter, 3 months, January, February and December. In January, weather is freezing. In December, weather is cold. In February, weather is snowy. In winter, there are snowstorm and cold winds.
Okay. Please, assess them.
Good job.
Speaker with no support.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, guys, you are doing great. So go to page 74. You are going to read article about Hurricane Catherine, okay? So before you start, please answer to my question, what is hurricane?
Hurricane storms with high winds and heavy rain.
Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to give you only 3 minutes to read these texts. Then we are going to exercises with pilkers, okay?
Okay.
According to this text, okay? 3 minutes, okay? Your time is going. Started. Now, okay guys, your time is up. Let's play clickers, okay? Look at exercise, go to the questions of exercise 3, okay? Okay, let's start our game. First question. I'm higher. Okay. Okay. I am at Sultanate. Okay. Let's continue. Second question. Okay. Jensen Russell, you are right. Okay, let's continue. Fourth question. How fast did the wind travel? How fast did the wind travel? Okay, let's continue. Next question. How many homes were flooded? Okay. Dilna, Saltanat, Mirvet, Daniel, Aruzhan, Ayim, you were right. Okay, let's continue. Last question of exercise 3. When will the rebuilding of the city be complete? In 2050, nobody knows. After rebuilding, it's already completed. Okay. Nursulu, Jenes, Asıl, Alva, and Aydana, you were right. Okay. Now, look at exercise 4, page 74. Match the words and phrases from the article with the definitions below. Okay?
Okay.
Get ready, 1 minute. Okay, your time is up. Let's check. Inside a house or building. First question, you have to tell it in one word or one phrase. Okay, with one word or one phrase. Next question. Outside the house or building. Outside the house or a building. Okay, if you are ready, let's check your answers. Inside the house or building. Oh, the question has changed. Outside the house or building, yes. Everyone has answered. Okay. Nuslūžienas Mirjot Daniel Arujan, you were right. Cover a place with water, for example, from a river, canal, or lake. Aydana, Alva, okay, Asıl, very nice, here. And Daniel. Okay, now let's check it. Nuslūžienas, Asıl, Arujan, and Edel, you were right. Question 4. Build something again that has been damaged or destroyed. Okay, let's check it. Saltanat, please move your paper. Very nice. Okay. And Saltanat, move your paper. Oh, very nice. Okay. So, let's check it. Dilnaz, Nuslūžienas, Mirjot, Daniel, Arujan, Ayub, and Edel, you were right. The next question. The people who live in a particular place. Daniel. Can you move your paper? Okay, let's check it. Dilnaz, Nuslūžienas, Mirjot, Daniel, Aydana. The last question. The area of the earth not covered by water. Okay, let's check it. Daniel, Dilnaz, very nice. Here. Okay, very nice. So, Dilnaz, Nuslūžienas, Asıl, Alva, Saltanat, Aydana, Ayub, Edel, you were right. I congratulate you. So, very nice, guys. Thank you. Now, I have a stickers here. I want all of you to write your opinions about today's lesson, okay?
Okay.
Share it. Okay. start writing your opinions, please write down your homework. Your homework is exercise from 1 to 5 from your workbooks, okay?
Okay.
Page 51. Okay? Now you may write your opinions, everybody. Okay, guys, come over here, everybody. Make a big circle. Make a big circle. Come, come, come. Don't be shy. Okay. Now, our journalist Janice has a few questions to you. I want all of you to answer them. Then, I want you to stick your opinions right here to this Kinder Surprise, okay?
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
How do you feel yourself?
I like this lesson because I understood the lesson.
Do you like this lesson?
I like today lesson. I was interesting.
Stick, don't forget to stick.
How do you feel yourself?
I feel myself like boiling because I am happy today.
Do you like this lesson?
I feel myself like heatwave because I'm joyful today.
Hello.
Hello.
How do you feel yourself?
I feel myself like boiling because I'm happy today.
Do you like this lesson?
I feel funny, super, like hot summer.
How do you feel yourself?
I am feeling so happy, very happy.
Okay, don't forget to stick, okay?
Did you like this lesson?
Yes, I do. I feel my cheerful the lesson and amazing lesson.
Did you like this lesson?
Yes, I like the lesson because the lesson is very interesting.
How do you feel yourself?
I feel myself like Sunny because I like the lesson. It is very interesting.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much. The lesson is over. You may go home. Applause yourself. Thank you very much. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye.